Hello! Happy Vlogmas Day 19. Today is officially Sugar Cookie Baking Day. Now, I'm not necessarily excited. I don't like baking, I don't like cooking. I do it because I have to. And my obligation to my family is to make sugar cookies. My grandma used to be in charge of making sugar cookies, but this responsibility has been passed down to me. I am happy to do it, and we'll just see how many we can make. I was originally going to do a double batch. However, I don't think I have enough flour because one batch calls for 2 cups of flour, and this is all that I have. So I'm going to measure out the flour first and make sure I can at least make one batch, and then see if Matt can pick me up some flour on his way home from work. So underprepared. But I think I have everything else I need. So let's just get into it. Okay, I just finished baking up the cookie dough, and it's actually not hard at all. Super, super simple. So thank goodness for me, because I'm a big whiner when it comes to baking. But the instructions say to put it in the fridge for 3 hours, so that would put us at 6 p.m. So I guess we will be cutting out the sugar cookies after dinner. So I will see you then. Alrighty guys, it is the next day. I ended up not doing the cookie baking last night because Parker was kind of in a little mood because she's not feeling the greatest, but it's time to bake cookies. So let's get to it. Okay, the cookies have been baked and they have cooled, so now let's frost them. All right, they are officially done. I didn't do anything fancy with the frosting, but it's on there and they're finished. And there's a couple that are sad and dead, like our 2 headless snowmen. And what else? Oh, I accidentally smooched the frosting on that one. And then my sad little extra dough crumble. Those will be sticking with us to eat at home, but the rest of these will go to my uncle as his Christmas present. So, Merry Christmas, Uncle Jay.
Do you want to do some oohs and ahs so Mommy's not angry?
Mommy's stress-sucking.
Stress-sucking frosting right out of a package. Give me a hint. It's fine, I'm fine.
I'm fine. I love baking. It's my favorite thing to do.
Mom made cookies for your unkaroo.
Just say we taste.
How do you feel about that?
No.
Yeah. No. Good call. She's like, oh, but you take some, so maybe.
You're just like squeezing it out. Okay. Well, you don't have to.
You're crazy, Mom.
I'm going to hold it. What if you just lick the frosting off this little head? Oh. Well. What do you think? It's in your hand.
You got a whole globe of frosting on your hand, Boop. It's not real food. I know. Whoa. That look on her face.
There. There. Make that. What do you think? Ooh, don't rub that on your face. There we go.
Oh no. That's so much.
Are we gonna go on a sugar high together? Oh, hold on. That was just, oh.
Is that weird? I know. It's not broccoli, it's bad.
Try again.
It's super rich. It's not good.
Daddy's lying. It's wonderful.
Is it good? Do you like it? You don't seem like
Everything
you
in
like it.
moderation, right? Okay. Let's wash you. Oh, no.
Yep, wash the things.